Data 360, how it's used in the real world. Welcome back to CloudMind Academy. Here we break down Salesforce concepts so they are clear, practical, and easier for you to remember. In this lesson, we will look at Data Cloud and Data 360 use cases. You will see how organizations use Data 360 in real business situations across sales, service, marketing, and other industries. This topic is important for both certification prep and real-world use cases. Many exam questions check to see if you can link the platform features to business results. Let's get started. After this lesson, you should be able to identify common business scenarios where Data 360 is applied, explain Data 360's role in unifying customer data, describe how Data 360 connects data sources to support everyday business use cases. Introduction. What Data 360 enables. Data 360 is designed to integrate and harmonize data from multiple systems so organizations can make better decisions and operate more effectively. Most businesses store customer data across different platforms, such as CRM systems, marketing platforms, service tools, commerce systems, third-party applications. The challenge is that each system often contains only parts of the customer story. Data 360 addresses this by bringing data together into a more complete and consistent view. With unified data, organizations can apply analytics, automation, and AI-driven insights to improve operations across the business. Core capabilities. Data 360 as the foundation. At a high level, Data 360 serves as the foundation for data unification, customer profile creation, segmentation activation, and cross-functional insights. A useful way to think about Data 360 is this. Data 360 helps organizations move from fragmented customer information to a unified, usable customer view. That unified view becomes the basis for business decisions in sales, service, marketing, and beyond. The Data 360 process flow, use case perspective. In practice, Data 360 supports a repeatable sequence of steps: data ingestion, batch or streaming, transformation and governance, harmonization, unification, insight generation, segmentation and analysis, and activation, actions, exports, flows. This sequence is important because it explains how raw data becomes business-ready information. A simpler memory version is connect, transform, harmonize, unify, analyze, act. What Data 360 is: strengths versus boundaries. Now, for exam preparation, it is important to understand both Data 360's strengths and its boundaries. What Data 360 does well. Data 360 is designed to harmonize data, unify customer profiles, build insights on unified profiles, segment harmonized data, and activate data for business use cases. What Data 360 is not. Data 360 should not be viewed as only a traditional ETL tool, a simple data cleansing tool, a standalone master data management platform, or a standalone business intelligence platform. So, in other words, Data 360 is best understood as a customer data unification and activation platform, not just a data movement or reporting tool. Now let's review how Data 360 is used in specific business functions. Data 360 for sales. In sales, Data 360 gives teams access to a single source of truth and more timely customer insights. Typical sales use cases: improving lead prioritization, enhancing sales forecasting, supporting personalized outreach, identifying patterns that drive conversions. Data 360 allows sales teams to analyze customer behavior and identify which prospects are most likely to convert. This helps sales reps focus on high-value opportunities and engage with more relevant messaging. Exam signal. Data 360 strengthens sales execution by combining real-time insight with unified customer context. Data 360 for service. In service, Data 360 improves customer support by giving service teams a more complete view of the customer. Typical service use cases: providing personalized support across channels, accessing metrics such as customer lifetime value or churn risk, triggering proactive alerts and workflows, automating communications and service processes. When Data 360 is connected to Service Cloud, each interaction can be informed by broader customer context, not just the current case. This enables more efficient service delivery and better decision-making by support teams. Exam signal. Data 360 strengthens service execution by combining real-time insight with unified customer context. Data 360 for marketing. Marketing is one of the most common and important Data 360 use cases. Typical marketing use cases: building targeted campaigns, creating segments from unified profiles, personalizing messages based on customer behavior, improving speed to conversion and customer loyalty. Data 360's ability to connect and harmonize data from multiple sources gives marketing teams a more reliable data foundation. This helps improve accuracy, consistency, and timeliness in campaign execution. Exam signal. Data 360 improves marketing effectiveness by making customer data trusted, unified, and actionable. Data 360 for retail. In retail, Data 360 supports personalized commerce experiences. Typical retail use cases: personalized recommendations, targeted offers, behavior-based engagement, such as cart abandonment follow-up, and loyalty building through relevant customer experiences. By analyzing customer preferences and behavior, retailers can create more relevant shopping experiences that increase engagement and conversions. Exam signal. In retail, Data 360 helps transform customer behavior data into personalized experiences and stronger loyalty. Data 360 for communications, telecom. In communications and telecom, Data 360 can be used to monitor service performance and improve commercial decisions. Typical communications use cases: monitoring service level performance, SLOs, identifying upsell opportunities, supporting cross-sell recommendations, and increasing ARPU, average revenue per user. By using service and performance data, providers can identify when customers may need a different plan or service level. This improves customer satisfaction while also supporting revenue growth. Exam signal. Data 360 helps communications providers connect operational performance data to customer and revenue outcomes. Other industry applications. Data 360 also supports use cases across healthcare and life sciences, financial services, automotive, platform and app development scenarios, and analytics and collaboration tools. Even though the industry changes, the pattern remains the same: connect data, unify it, analyze it, act on it. That repeatable pattern is one of the most important concepts to remember. Using Data 360 across the Salesforce ecosystem. Data 360 is most powerful when used across connected systems. Common integrations and usage patterns include Salesforce CRM, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and external data sources. This allows organizations to create a shared customer data foundation that supports multiple teams and use cases at the same time. Why organizations invest in Data 360? Organizations invest in Data 360 because they need more than isolated data systems. They need a unified customer view, better personalization, more accurate insights, faster automation, and cross-functional alignment. Data 360 helps organizations move from fragmented data to coordinated action. That is the business value. Lesson wrap-up. Now, to summarize, Data 360 is used to unify customer data across systems and make that data usable for real business outcomes. It supports use cases across sales,
better prioritization and forecasting; service, proactive, personalized support; marketing, targeted campaigns and personalization; retail, communications and other industries, industry-specific insights and automation. And the process pattern to remember is connect, transform, harmonize, unify, analyze, act. If you're studying for certification, this is a topic worth reviewing more than once because the exam often tests whether you can identify the best use case for a given Data 360 scenario. Subscribe to CloudMind Academy for more Data 360 and Salesforce lessons designed to help you learn faster and get that certification. Thanks for watching.